5 months ago, we bought this 2017 Ford F-350. After a month and a half of owning it stock, we sent it to New York for the any-level lift with Aaron Aldridge. It's a full hydraulic system. That took 6 weeks. From -4 inches stock to 13 inches tall. The tires are 40 by 16.5 and the wheels are 30 by 16. American Force Morph.
So Landon, tell us a little bit more about this app you're using to get your truck to lift up and down like that.
There's a linkage in the back where the hydraulics and the batteries sit. It switches up to Switch Pro. The app is called Switch Pro, and it controls the hydraulics up and down.
Thank you, Landon, for showing off your truck. Can you tell everybody where they can find you and follow you?
The Instagram is patton.anylevel. Shout out to Wheelfire.